Hey guys, I'm kind of trying to finish this portion of this tile. This is a humongous, heavy piece of tile. Got it from a neighbor. Well, you know the story. I mean, you watched the bit. Well, I'm going to try to attach this to the other video actually. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do some dot painting. Okay, that's where you use these little instruments right here. Let's see, can you see that? Yeah. And it's just a little tiny ball on the end of a sharp point type. Okay. And you'll see how it works. And I've got several different sizes here. And then I also use these. You've seen me use these in some of my videos where I just mess up the paint. So I use these for dot painting. Now I've never done a dot painting on tile. So you get a little tray like this. And I'm going to take my colors. Now these are pretty darn thick colors. These are the actual colors that I used in this. So let's see if I can get that. There we go. There. Oop, yep, I did. And yep, I'm going to get it on my fishing shirt. So hold tight, and I'm going to go get my apron on. Okay, I'm back. I'll edit that crap later, but okay. I opened these up to use them for a pour, but I just broke a nail. Oh my. Hard to get these lids off. All right, now I figure out how to get these lids off. All right, I'm just going to put a little bit of paint in here. Just a little bit. Don't need much of this stuff. I mean, you're using a teeny tiny spot. That's what you're using. I mean, you'll see. If you need more, you get more. This way you don't waste it. Because I was impressed with this paint. My wife found it at Michael's. And so she grabbed some of it for me. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I wish I can get this, is I'm just going to take this area right here, okay, and I'm going to form like the pollen pops coming out of the flowers. Let me see how big that is. All right, and you always want to have a paper towel in your hand when you do a dot painting. Ooh, that is thick paint. Good, good. All right, I think it's what I'm going to do first. Just kind of go around the edges. Spread them out. This is all you do when you dot paint is you dot and move on. Okay, didn't come out. Grab more paint. Just barely touch. And you don't want to let the paint build up on the side of these because then it'll form a ball and then it won't look that good. So you're just not really even actually, pressing to the tile. You're just gonna touch it. Okay. So see, I'm getting about 2 touches before I need to do something else. I didn't know what I was going to do with these, if I wanted to make like stems on them too, or what. So it's art, dude. It's what you make of it. Right? Now some can be smaller than others. Nothing has to be the exact size. Okay. Cluster them together so they don't look like they were just, laid out there, I guess. I'm going to go with bigger ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put more paint. I'm using the same size. Okay, it's the same size tool, but I'm putting more paint on it and kind of letting it blob in there, see? So it's every new dip. Kind of need to mess these up. I think I'm getting too... Okay. That looks cool, huh? What do you think? I think I should go bigger with it. I think I'm going to take it out to about here. Right about here. Leave, because it's a big flower. So out here I'm going to mix some more. No plan, man. Just going to do it. Get some more white in there. I hope you guys can see me doing this. It's not blocking it this time, I hope. I need more yellow somewhere. Yeah, see the white's like right there. There we go. There we go. I don't want to go higher than that. This is kind of fun. If you're not having fun with art, don't do it. Because I when I was painting, I do landscape paintings and with acrylics, really well with it. People kept telling me, "You need to sell your art, Tim. It's so beautiful." And I can't. It was really weird because okay, now I started painting to sell, not painting to paint, painting to sell, and that starts to cause a problem because when you get a like a I don't know what you call it, like a block, whatever you want to say, like an artist block. Yeah. And then you can't figure it out. You can't, and you get totally lost. Then that's when it became more like work to me than enjoyment. And I didn't like that. I didn't like that feeling. I love the art. I kept painting, but I had to stop painting to sell, I guess you call it. Where you get that feeling, oh, I just got to sell my art. People are giving you good compliments about your art, and just guess, guys. And anyways, so I had to stop doing that. So then it wound up making me just put away my paintings completely. And my wife was like, why aren't you painting? And I'm like, because I don't feel like it. And if you're not an artist, then you don't understand that saying where you have to feel it to be able to paint, right? It's not just get up and start painting, right? So I need some little ones. I'm thinking here, I'm sorry guys. So what you have to do is you have to feel it. That's how you do your art. You feel it, right? I mean, I don't know how you feel. You can let me know down below, but for me, yeah, it's a total gotta feel kind of thing, or it won't work for me. Okay, there's a big one right there. Okay, hope you can see that. Probably not. Oh, here, let me try this. What everybody does on YouTube, I don't know. Okay, but it's just a little ball. Now you'll see this is going to be tiny. But what I'm going to do is I want to make the stems coming down, I guess. What do you call it? No, I'm going to put some right in the middle of that. I'm going to do. I'm going to dab these. There we go. Only the yellow, right? And not all of them. You know, when you do this, you just don't know what you're going to do. I don't anyways. I feel if I try to plan out a painting, plan out an art piece or something, you know, it just, yeah, it doesn't turn out, especially this kind of art. I had an idea here. I wanted to do a flower pattern, but I had no idea how it was going to turn out, right? Okay, I got to try this. I don't know if that's going to work. It's not. All right, here's everybody's mistakes. Every artist's nightmare. I need a... Sorry, guys. This is how you got to take it off, though. You make a mistake. The paint will stick to the ball. You just got to take it easy. Get her done. You can't grab what went into the other colors, though. Nope. Don't work. See, this is where I had to do actual art, like an actual painting or an actual drawing, and it didn't work. So what I'm going to have to do is just put a big one in the middle. Big one in the middle. And this is going to be orange. Right smack middle. We all make mistakes. We have to cover it up somehow. Right? Okay. I don't want to do too many of those. It's too big. And I'm just going to spot some yellow here and there, little dots. It's going to be a long process. But it is what it is. I mean, if you want to see the whole video, you watch the whole video. If you just want to get the idea, then I understand. So what I'll probably do is make a fast speed one, and then I'll do the regular one. That way you can watch it either way you want. I don't know. Should I or shouldn't I? Should have I even done this to this painting? I don't know. You don't want one color to over dominate your painting. Like there's a lot of freaking white. Oops, sorry guys. There's a lot of white in there. But what do you think? Should I do anything with this? I should have put a few purple ones in there, huh? At the orange, the yellow, the... No, I think that's good. I think that's good. You don't want it perfectly round either. I think that looks good. I think that looks good. Okay, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hold on. Okay, here's where we did the dot paintings. What do you think? Need to add more to it? Did it help? Did it wreck it? All right, let me know, guys. If you found this video very informative, helpful to you, please subscribe and share and hit that bell button so you'll know when I put up the next video. So God bless everyone. Thank you.